this frequency connects us to our heart energy, and this is what we're gonna do now. So we're gonna connect on a heart level. Heart's always curious, our mind separates us, and today is 528 Lovetuner day, so the frequency of love. So like really consciously try to get into your heart chakra, connect, and let the energy flow in. You know, we're all grounded here in the sand next to the ocean. Enjoy Malibu, enjoy the oxygen that we get out here, and just think about us being connected through our hearts. No separation that overcomes everything that separates us, race, belief systems, whatever. So, and this is what we want to do. We want to come together in lovingness and build communities. So let's tune 6 cycles. Inhale through the nose, exhale, and make a long tone, okay? Let's tune into peace and love.
Peace and love.
Go for it.